Welcome on the next adventure with Nerdy and Flirty. Now, not only is this the next adventure for you, this is a first time for us too.
We're so excited. We're
Chakotay,
gonna go
where
find.
are we?
He's
Where
like,
are we?
I don't know. We're somewhere. We've been in the car for a long time. I'm ready to just get out. So, what are we gonna look for?
Geodes.
Do you know what geodes are?
I do. They're round eggs with crystallized interiors.
I'm so excited.
Do you know what they look like?
Yep.
Before they crack them open?
Rocks.
Exactly. So this is going to be quite the adventure. I ran to a local store, picked up a chisel, a pick, a mini sledge, and a shovel.
And we're gonna go dig in the dirt.
My biggest fear is we're going to get lost in the deserts of Utah.
So if this is our last video,
Please send help.
we love you.
We love you. We do.
So come join us for the adventure, but don't forget to subscribe and to like so that you see this video and future videos to come.
Well, let's get this show on the road.
Come on, let's go!
So this adventure is turning out to be not just the destination, but of the travel as well. This is gorgeous. The history that surrounds this entire trip. I didn't realize that it was actually on the Pony Express Trailway. But the land, the landscapes, the history, you can just feel it all around you. So what we've got here is the remnants of a stone cabin. Alvin Anderson used stone from an abandoned Pony Express station when he built this cabin in 1893. It was intended for his wife, who died childbirth before she could even live in it. Part of America's history you've got here is one of the stations of the Pony Express, the Simpson Springs Pony Express Station. It's one of the most important desert stations on the Pony Express, an overland stage route between St. Joseph, Missouri, Sacramento, California. From this point, the water was carried for westbound travelers and animals. The spring was discovered by Captain J.M. Simpson, U.S. Army, in 1858. Simple construction, but it serves its purpose. It's a way out of the weather, extreme heat, a place to lay your head. I heard somebody. Who was that? Oh, look, it's Flirty! there was a discovery we made inside here. Let's see. A little rock band! Yay! Okay guys, it's time to get back on the truck. Flirty, how are you liking the drive so far?
It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Kind of bumpy, but nowhere near.
Especially since they haven't paved it for about, what, 40 miles? What do you think, Chakotay? You having fun? Are you having fun? Oh yeah.
Wild horses.
Wild horses couldn't drag us away from the Dugway Geode. Flashbacks.
This is a scary road. I think this is even worse than Silver Lake. Woo.
Now down the other side.
Not that bad. Foxxy! Chakotay! Someone having fun in the car? They're ready to get out. Up, up.
That's the dog version of Are We There Yet?
We've been in the car for 3 hours.
Not quite.
We left at 10:30. We're almost there! Woo, woo. And that little car made it. I don't know how it made it, but it made it.
It's got all its parts still attached.
Yeah.
So where do you want to start?
We have to go down there more. Drive careful. Oh, oh, oh. That's why that little car didn't come down this road. What?
As steep as that is, I might just go on the other side.
I think that side is better though. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it and you're cool. not that steep. See, you did it. Woo woo!
Who needs Disney World? We have our own roller coasters.
Oh, sorry for getting sick. More wild animals.
Looking at us like humans, like we're crazy. Get a little closer on these guys. Ask their opinion, what they think. No. We're not going to disturb them. We're going to do a little bit of scouting before we actually start digging and running.
Foxxy, Chakotay, come. Come here. That's the inside of one.
So that's quartz. Come on, guys. Hey, Chakotay. Look at some of these rocks. They're just laying on the ground. Just think what we're going to find if we go a little bit deeper in. Okay, so this is one of the geode spots. As you can see, it's a big pit with some nasty water down there. And you can see some areas where people have already found some good stuff. In fact, there's about 2 other families up here now with us now. So, enough talking. Let's start doing some digging. Hey Flirty, what you doing?
This is freaking hard work. I thought it was going to be way easier than this.
Well, to get the good ones, there is work, the hard work. I mean, we can also just walk around. I was told that there's a lot laying around.
I know I found some cool pieces. I'll show you what we got when we're done.
You got some pretty cool stuff out of this, I think. Well, as I say, keep digging.
Just keep swimming. This thing's
I don't know.
just Dory or someone.
Dora the Explorer.
Dory.
Oh,
The fish. Okay, get that.
okay. Makes it harder work when you're out here looking for something you don't know what you're looking for. We got an idea. You guys have ever been geode hunting? Give us some tips, because we're definitely going to do this again.
Yeah.
We already learned we need either a full-size one of these or 2 of these. All right, guys. See you guys in a bit.
I'm gonna walk around, see if we see anything sitting on the surface area. I'm sure there's lots of cool stuff. The rain has started to wash up this last week. We'll wash them up. Did you get the bucket? Definitely makes me respect miners for all their hard work, because holy crap. You left it up there. And the ones that we've already found that were cracked open, we can get wet and show them what they look like. See those sparklies, Coco? Oh, it's okay, Foxy.
Well, guys, next time you'll see us, we're going to be at home cleaning these up and see if we can get them looking even prettier for you.
Yeah, we'll show you how pretty they're gonna be.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Been in the car. We look like we've been in the car for 6 hours.
So for you, it's only been a few seconds. For us, it's been a 3-hour drive, a 3-hour tour. But now, time for the big reveal. They've been sitting in a bucket of water all the way home, so they got pretty clean. So let's see if I can get this. So check these out. And I can tell you 90% of these we just found laying around. A couple of them we're still going to try cracking, see if they are actually rocks or if they're geodes. Well,
Dude, this one's so pretty. These 3 are my favorite.
I don't know. I like that one because of the, it looks like it's a 3 geode in one. Let's see, bring it back. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this while I'm looking at it, but there's Flirty's favorite. So I'm excited the next time if we found these just laying around. Once we learn the mating call of a geode, that we might actually find some in the ground.
It's doo-hoo, doo-hoo.
But anyways, thank you again for joining us on this adventure.
But what do they need to do?
Come with us. Come to Utah and go to geode hunting with us. Actually, thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you want to know when the next ones are being uploaded,
Ring the bell.
click the bell,
Ding,
or
ding, ding.
vernacular is ring the bell, but there's a little bell next to the subscribe there. Click that one and you'll be notified the next time we send one up. But for now, from Nerdy
Flirty.
and a very little bit dirty.
We're a lot dirty today.
Yeah. Thank you guys. We really appreciate your visit and we look forward to taking you on our next adventure.